guys, how you going? So today I'm just going to give you a quick tour of this awning, retractable awning I've done in my workshop. I've been wanting to do this for ages. Again, I've got this workshop where all of my tools come in and out of my workshop all the time, and often when it rains I've got to pack everything up, I've got to keep stuff on the tarps. So I thought, okay, can I have a temporary solution so when I'm working out here I don't have to pack up all the time? Don't get me wrong, this is something that I'm not leaving out all the time. This is something I'm leaving out when I'm working, and basically at the end of the day, once everything's done, most of my tools still get packed away, but at least I don't have to stop and start throughout the day, which can be pain. If you want to see all the installation bits and pieces and that, there's another video which takes you all through that. So this is just basically just showing you it in operation. Alright, so it comes with a remote control. It's motorised. You've got the option, you can actually buy a manual one with this, and you can sort of wind it in manually. But yeah, no, it wasn't much more for the motorised one, so yeah. Alright, let's have a look. So you just press the button and she automatically retracts. I absolutely love it. Again, it's a little bit, it's quite interesting just setting up and adjusting it once it's all installed, but it's relatively easy. But once it's all done, it's fantastic. So, and again, if I want to stop it, I can just stop it. If I want it to go back out, pretty simple. Press it again, and it goes back. Okay. Again, this is optional. You don't have to put that on. You can leave that off if you want. And this worked out perfectly. This is actually 4 meters wide by 3 meters. There are a variety of different sizes. There she is. Nice and simple. All right, let's have a look from the other side. So here's a bit of a close-up of just how it looks from this end. So the arms just tuck in nicely, nice and neatly. The motor's over in that corner over there. All right, let's have a look. Again, it ain't going to break any land speed records, but that's all you need. I just absolutely love it. No more sun, no more rain. And yes, if you're asking the question, yes, I did buy it. It wasn't given to me. But yeah, so the plan is, there are some other areas around the house which I end up using it, or up at the van. But it's so compact, it goes out really, really far, like 3 meter reach. That's amazing. And it'll just automatically stop, by the way. So there's the remote, I'm not touching it. And it just stops, okay? And you can adjust basically how far you want it out. Okie dokie. Alright, so like I said guys, if you want to see the install video, it will be on the playlist after this. Otherwise, it was pretty straightforward to install. And I think it's a great idea, especially for you guys with a small workshop. Alright, so I hope you liked the content. Any questions or whatever, just drop them down in the section below. I'll have a link to the place where I got it from. But I dare say these guys are being mass produced all over, coming out of the same factory. So a lot of the ones I've seen on other guys' channels, they all basically look the same, only very slight variances. So yeah, give us a thumbs up if you like, and again, spread it around. Alright, see you in the next video guys. Cheers, bye.